Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer RLS policies from Supabase into FlutterFlow step by step clearly. To transfer RLS policies from Supabase into FlutterFlow, begin by logging into your Supabase account. Navigate to the project dashboard where your database resides. Click on SQL Editor in the left-hand sidebar. In the SQL Editor, you will write a query to extract the RLS policies. Use the SQL command select asterisk from PG_policies to retrieve the existing RLS policies. Execute the query to view the policy details on your screen. Copy the relevant RLS policy details for future reference. Next, open your FlutterFlow project in the FlutterFlow dashboard. Go to the Database section in the left menu. Locate the data model where you intend to apply the RLS policies. Click on Add Policy or a similar option available. Paste the copied RLS policy details into the appropriate fields. Update the fields to align with the requirements of FlutterFlow. Make sure to define the conditions and roles clearly for each policy. After entering all the RLS policy details, save your changes. Test your application to verify that the RLS policies are working as intended. Review logs and debug any issues that might arise during testing. Repeat the process for any additional RLS policies you wish to transfer. With each policy successfully applied, ensure to document any changes made for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.